Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. Tonight I am going to be cutting little Liam's hair. I haven't cut it in a while. I just kind of trim around the sides because he has so many cowlicks back here that when I do clipper it all one length, his cowlicks just grow all crazy and I've just been trying to leave it alone. But I've been experimenting with his hair being in a little mohawk looking thing, faux hawk. So what my plan is I'm going to just trim the sides and the back and then leave all of this with his cowlicks alone. Here is the hair gel that I got him. It's the Schwarzkopf Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. They had so many different hair gels, it was really overwhelming, but this had really good reviews and it was like $5 at Walmart. Non-sticky, no flakes, crazy hold. Feels like gel, holds like glue. They had a spike one that was for like a mohawk, but it said it was water resistant. I wanted something that was going to be easily washed out of his hair, and this says unglue with a little shampoo. So that's the hair gel I got. I haven't tried it yet, so we're gonna find out. Okay, stand up, stand up. The hair tools I'm gonna be using. I've had these for so many years, like over 8 years now. It's the Wall Designer Professional Vibrator Clipper, and all Wall is really good in my opinion. And for trimmers for his neck and his ears, I'm going to be using the Sterling Definitions Ultra Close Cutting Trimmer. And these are just the ones I have. You can pretty much just use whatever you want, but I've had these for so many years, so I know they're good quality. I also got him a little capey cape, so you don't get any hair on you. Okay, it's supposed to cover your arms so you don't get hair all over your hands. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the clippers plugged in and get this going. So I am going to be using the 1-inch guard. That's what I always use for him. It's the biggest guard, so it keeps your hair the longest. He has like two different textures with his hair. His back here and the top are like two completely different textures. It's very weird. This is all fine and soft, and back here is like all rough and crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna start to figure out where I want to stop with the clippers. You can kind of see the line right here that is already there. So that's the guide that I'm going to go off of. I'm just going to comb this other hair up. Alright, I'm going to start clippering. So that's the noise it's going to make, but it's just going to vibrate you. It's not going to hurt you. It's just going to clip your hair. Okay? So just look in the mirror and you can see Mama cut your hair. Is that silly? Look at all your hair.
Yeah. It buzzes your hair off.
Yeah, it buzzes your hair off.
Not in my ears.
No, I won't. It won't get your ears. You're doing such a good job, bud.
I'm getting the spiky.
Yeah, I'm making you have spiky hair. So when I get close to the guide up here, I'm just gonna flick it upwards so it doesn't cut too far. So here is with the one guard. I think I'm gonna go just one guard shorter, 3/4, which is a number 6. We're gonna do the trimmers. Thank you. So what I do around his ears is I'll take the comb, here you can turn back around this way, and I'll scoop it up underneath the hair, keeping it close to the scalp, and then I just trim it like that. So I can always see how long his hair is and just trim it a little bit so I don't get too close to his ears. If you have little kids that, you know, don't want it near their ear, this is a good tip that I like to do. And I'm not a cosmetologist, this is just things that I've learned in the field of men's hair. And you need to look at the shower, okay?
Here's a shower.
Yep.
Little baby shower.
Okay.
My dad.
Yeah, you're gonna take a bath after I'm done. Get all the hair off, yeah.
She is belting.
Look down just a little bit. Good job.
Are done?
Okay, I think so. Let me get your hair all wet, okay? Look at your spiky hair. Let's get your hair shaped. Oh, you're gonna have such spiky hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna put just a little bit, like a pea size. Run it, my hands.
Kind of apple size.
What?
The kind of this.
Like what?
Apple size.
Applesauce.
Kind of this.
Oh. Whoa. Look how cool you look. Okay, now turn around to the back. And this way. Wow. You look like such a cool dude. All right, that is Liam's little faux hawk mohawk, whatever you want to call it. I think it turned out so cute. I'm gonna have to play around with the gel.
You're doing this, so
It's all done. Did Mama do a good job?
yeah.
I did.
Write down, Mama.
Thank you, Bubba.
High five. Ah.
Ah, nice one.
High five again.
High five again. Wow, double high five. That is Liam's cool new hairdo, and that is how I'm going to be styling it. Now that I got your cool new styling gel.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. But wait.
Before you go, we'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.